You didn't like the idea of just coming inside before you got wet?
If you want to go to the garage and use the red one.
They're dirty.
Yo. Hey, don't wash my hands. I already wash my hands. Yeah, I want them. Every single second. This is better than tofu. Hi, Daddy. What are you doing?
Taking a video of you. I'm trying to figure out why the first time you go outside is when it's raining.
I don't think Daddy should be doing that. If something makes him fall, he might fall forward and then he might break his phone.
Nah, I think I'm fine.
At least they're saving money.
You're saving money?
Fun.
How are you saving money?
We don't have to pay for water.
Oh, you're right.
The water is washing down. The water's free. Free water. I'm just sticking my hand out so it will get toasted.
Say goodbye, Danielle.